Hello everyone, it's Vince here. Welcome back to another video. Guys, today we are covering Shoot and Go, an app that promises real life money for us to take a sniper rifle to the gun range and shoot some targets. Now, how real do you think this is, everyone, straight off the bat? Have you ever heard of an app like this before, okay? Listen to me. It's offering $100 redemption tier for PayPal, Amazon, Xbox, Steam, PlayStation, and Best Buy. The only problem is, guys, if you read the reviews, people are very, very angry about this app. And for good reason, because this app actually features diminishing returns, and if you don't know what that means, it means the longer you play this app and the higher stages you get to, the less reward you actually get. So no app should punish you for progressing in it, okay? That's the way the world should work. In theory, no app should ever punish you for going further into their own app. But the problem is, with scam money-making apps, what they actually do is punish you to make you watch more advertisements for less reward. And anyone that's played a scam app before knows exactly what I'm talking about. As you can see, I have to watch an ad to get $1, okay? Minimum cash out is $100. The only problem is, if we base the maths on what we're doing now, we'd have to watch 100 ads to get $100. But what ends up happening is, when diminishing returns kicks in, it might go to 50 cents per level, then 30 cents per level, then 5 cents per level, as the player reviews are stating. So what really worries me about an app like this is that someone's actually going to waste their time getting all the way to $100, watching countless ads, probably thousands of ads. Who knows, bro? If you're only getting 3 cents per advertisement, you can imagine the amount of ads you'd have to watch. Even if I press no thanks to watch an ad, I have to watch an ad anyway. That's a clear-cut sign of a scam app as well, when they force ads down your throat. Now, no one likes advertisements, okay? And they also feature, I swear, a fake leaderboard here. I mean, if this was an online game, trust me, the names that you'd be seeing in that list would be ridiculous, okay? Especially with what's going on in America right now with Trump and everyone raiding the House or the Congress. I don't know. Something's happening in America right now which is massive. You can imagine the names that people would have, okay? It's a crazy time in the world right now, and what we don't need in our lives are more scam apps. But even if I press no thank you, I don't want your stupid dollar, it plays me an ad. This guy looks so ridiculous, by the way. Look at the beanie on him. I love it, man. And he's just saying, hey, you should play this dumb app. I've reviewed this app, by the way, and I will be reviewing it again. Big Win Hunter, I'll be doing another video on this app. They took away their scam tactics at one point, but now it looks like they brought them back. I am so mad. Now, also on Shoot and Go, you can buy new sniper rifles. Who really cares at the end of the day, honestly? I'm sure you'll probably need it on the later stages, but right now, we're just doing pretty well without any real sniper upgrades or anything, so that's fine. Let me just take down these stupid targets quickly. It's just ridiculous, everyone. I mean, how can Google allow this? It just pisses me off so bad. Like, I mean, how long do we have to sit through this? Honestly, you have to think, even 2021, we still have scam apps being released daily. It's a sad time. Look, here's another money one. Bro, how many money scam apps are there? I don't understand what planet these developers are on. By the way, developer's name is Yu Xian, and it's his only game on the Play Store, and he hasn't been heard from since. So, take that with a grain of salt, everyone. Most of the scam apps have come from countries where money is very scarce, okay? So they know how to make their apps, they know how to make the most basic JavaScript apps, or, you know, basic apps, and then they literally release them to the public with as many advertisements as possible to make as much money out of you guys as possible, and never pay you. It's funny, because some people are under the illusion that Google, like, has to pay you. Like, Google's the one that's going to pay you guys if you play apps on their Play Store. Let me just let you on a secret here. There is no regulation for these apps. Google does not care one bit about you guys out there, okay? I'm just going to say it right now. Google is too big of a platform to care about some stupid scam app made in a forest somewhere, or Mars, or Jupiter. Who knows, bro? You know what I mean? Why would Google try and enforce payments? They don't care. You've already watched the advertisement. They get their pay cut. They charge advertisers for you to watch advertisements. Think about that. So, then the developer of this app gets a little cut of that payment that Google gets. That's how it works, everyone. For anyone that doesn't know, I know there's a lot of people that are just new to this, and they think that these apps are real. But please, I'm trying to save you a lot of time here. Stay away from these apps. Now, I'm not watching, or I'm not trying to watch any reward ads right now, which last 30 seconds. If you press, yes, I want the dollar, you have to watch a 30-second ad. At the moment, we're getting forced to watch 8-second ads. So, I mean, I feel like I can only post as many videos as I can without stressing it to you guys that these apps are so fake. Like, honestly, they're so fake. All I can do is just post videos every day, and hopefully you guys enjoy them. I'm having a blast playing these apps and reviewing them for you and exposing them. I mean, it's a hell of a time. I've managed to get a new microphone for you guys, so hopefully you guys appreciate the new audio quality. Let's watch this ad quickly. Are they going to freak out or something? Oh, look at the face on her. They are not playing the app. Yeah, $1,200 from Plinko. Oh, no, Plinko Master's still around to this day, bro. Oh my god, what a terrible app, and it's still around to this day. It's ridiculous, guys. Please, if anyone doesn't believe me about this app, let me know in the comments. Tell me why you think this app's real. I would love to argue with you about it, okay? Let me know in the comments as well. Have you played this app? And what do you think about this app? What's your honest impressions of this app? Is it fake or real, guys? Let's be real about this. The Google reviews are tearing this app to absolute shreds. It's being destroyed. Like, beyond belief. I love it. I absolutely love that everyone's angry with this app. It makes me laugh so long. And it's good. It's good the developer forgot to turn off early access mode so people can actually review this app. There we go, done. Look at this. Look at this ad. Look at these people. Look how desperate they are to make money out of you guys, man. It's so sad. Let's close this all down. Done. So we're on level 13 already, guys. We're doing pretty good. But I guess ultimately, I want to show you the diminishing returns, but I feel like we'll have to play the app for 3 days straight, and I refuse to do that. I'm just giving you my warning right now, as someone that's done this for nearly 200 apps. Scam apps, by the way. This app has all the clear-cut signs of a scam, and Google reviews backs that up. So please be careful when you play an app like this. It seems they've just taken the concept of a game that already exists, and has put money-making elements on top of it, okay? This is something that you all have to understand. I'm fairly confident this app already exists, guys, okay? So, yeah, be careful out there. As I said, I think this is literally set up just to make you watch advertisements. The only person that's going to win out of this is the developer. What is Snoop Dogg doing on TV? Why is he on an ad? He's not on a fake money-making app, is he? I'll flip out if he is. Okay, no, good. Okay, Snoop Dogg is not on a fake money-making app. Thank God. I thought he literally was running a fake money-making app then, or someone used his image or something. Anyway, guys, I'm going to wrap it up here. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you all in the next episode. See you next time.